Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create an account on Signal app, which was popularized by Elon Musk. So let's begin. At first, you must have your app installed on your phone. So to create an account, you must go into the app first. And as you can see, this is a new account. This is a new app. So you need to click on continue if you want to create an account. And after this page pops up, what this means is that if you want your friends to find you or if you want to access your contacts, you need to click on continue, and if you don't want to do that, you need to click on not now. So after you are on this page, you need to enter your phone number, and this is the country you are from. So I'm from Nepal, so I'm gonna keep here Nepal, and you need to click your phone number here, and now next after you have already entered your phone number. So if your phone number is correct, you need to click on OK, and if it is incorrect, you can edit your number from here. I'm going to click on correct, OK, because my phone number is correct. This might take a few seconds because they will send a code now. So after they have sent the code, it will automatically be here. So you guys can see if your SIM card is on this phone, then it will automatically be inserted. And after you have landed on this page, you need to keep your name and last name here, and if you want to keep your photo here, you can click on the camera roll right here, and you can set up your profile from there. After you are done with this, you can click on next, and they'll ask for your PIN. You need to create your PIN or unique PIN, which you must remember to secure your account. As of now, I'm just gonna keep 1 2 3 4. They're asking for a stronger pin, so I'm going to choose a random one. I'm going to choose 1458. So you must create a strong pin to secure your account. So after you have confirmed your pin for 2 times, this will load in and you'll reach your page. This might take some time because it is setting up everything. So as you can see, now your Signal app has been set up, and you can do various things in this app like text your friends, create a group, and much more. So if you guys learned something today, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.